My name is Angelo Amoriello, and I am a resident of Kissing Tree. This place is it's gorgeous in every way. They've done it first class, but the main thing about it is the community. In 2.5 years, we made more friends than we ever did in El Paso in 55 years. We like to call ourselves scene-agers. Scene-agers, we don't have the responsibilities of having to be in at a certain time, how much we could drink, how much fun we could have. That's what we are, scene-agers. When I first came out here, I was not aware of all the different areas you can get plugged into. What I love is music, and within a matter of a month, I was playing with this band, another band, this band. Now I'm like in 3 different bands. You can get plugged into whatever your heart desires here at Kissing Tree. And it's like you sign up for one thing, there's 15 other things going on. So you got to be really picky with what you want to do. Me, I want to do everything, and I love it.
Living on Kissing Tree time. Living on Kissing Tree time.
We wake up every morning just pinching ourselves. We just can't believe we're here, man. It's just unbelievable.
Kissing Tree time.
You won't regret it. I guarantee it.